Hello everybody, today we got fireworks show set up for 2021. The opener, we got 3 kamikaze, 1 soul taken, and a velociraptor all fast fused. Coming over here, we got 11 rockets, you know, some 200 grams, those are bangers if you know. More 200 grams, all fast fused, so each fuse lights all of them. Another kamikaze, smackdown, couple neon blasts, crown kiku, pool party, notorious, chroma chameleon, V-Day, party bus, dive deep, caution cool, couple yin yangs that got an angle on there, you can see that. Jiki willow, more caution cool, dive deep, party bus, V-Day, chroma chameleon, notorious, pool party, 5, salute to summers, dragon, neon shake, presto changeo, another caution cool. Over here we got some racks. Now each row is fused up and each row of 6 is the same effect. We got 30 racks, and then at the end we got some neon beef shells. More of them right here. And the finale, we got a 221 shot, and then we got 2 360 shots. One over there too. There we got 50 bangers all fast fused together. That's the setup video for 2021. Gonna be a hand-lit show. Any questions, my email will be in the description. And thanks to those two for helping out.